Hey, good morning everybody. Got a nice project going on here. I'm gonna kind of take you along for the ride. Check this out, what we're doing today. Doing some demolition work and got to remove all this landscaping, everything but the palm trees, wood deck, all these boulders. Gonna haul all this stuff off, taking all the pool deck and remodeling it. All the pavers are coming up. They don't like the red Chicago brick. We're putting in a shell lock top paver. Same with the pool deck. This is all getting topped with shell lock pavers. All that landscaping's coming out. All this landscaping's coming out. Wood deck, walkway, all the way around this side over here. Look at that view, would you? Look at it. Morning there, Mr. Pelican. Ain't that pretty? We got a pretty view here. Yep. All of this is coming out. Trim the palm tree up, make them look nice. I ain't gonna go through there, I get wet. And all this landscaping's coming out. All the walkways are coming up. Anything that's red brick is getting replaced with a shell lock paver. Alright guys, I'll be back. We'll get some of this stuff loaded up and bring you up to date here in a little bit. Big root grapple on the skid steer. Try to fish these dadgum rocks out of them bushes best we can. Alright, we got our dumpster. Now we start loading up some rocks. Alright guys, coming to the end of day one. We got the old wood walkway that went down to the dock from the pool deck on the trailer. We got us a load of rock on the dumpster. Putting my big equipment trailer back in the hole over here, so it'll be out of the way for tonight because I'm not coming back. I'll take a walk back here in the back and show you what the end of day one looks like. Alright, we got about 1,400 square foot of old Chicago brick put on pallets and wrapped up, ready to be taken to a new home as soon as I find one. And then out here, been working on these rocks. Holy cow, there's a lot of rocks here. They had them all up in these bushes. But we made it down through here to the end, to this end of it anyway. It goes on around the corner, back over to that little cabbage palm. Man, oh man, there's a lot of hand picking. There's just no way to get them things up, keeping them clean. That's all right. Ain't no race. We got all the time we need. All right. Well, that's the end of day one, and I'll go ahead and see if I can't get this video out, and we'll do us another one tomorrow. Try to get most of this demolition stuff done. Thanks for watching, and hey, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every once in a while of what I do. Appreciate you. All right, I'll talk to you later. Dumping it with a load trail. Well, this is what it looks like after 2.5 days of working here. Got all this landscaping out, all the bushes tore out, palm trees are trimmed. Still got some of these big boulders to deal with. I've hauled close to 70 tons of rock out of here, and I've probably got another 25 tons to get rid of. I think I'm gonna try to set them right on the other side of that seawall out there and use up as many of them as I can. But coming along pretty nice. 2.5 days from a jungle to dirt. It's Friday and I quit. It's about noon. Done enough on this job for 1 week. Let's get this little beast loaded up and head to the yard. Talk to you later, guys.